Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to talk about 3 types of love. Now, the classic vision of love includes the unity of two persons who fell in love, creates a family to have children. So, we know that love doesn't have a single face, there is more than one type of love, and in your life you will probably face this kind of love. It is good to have an idea in order to identify them. This is the reason of this video. We know the reason of this video, and here we go. Number 1. Unrequited love. This kind of love is the most difficult to manage, and it will probably make you suffer. Just think about it. Have strong feelings for a person, and in return she or he don't have any feeling for you. Oh my god. Sorry for those people who are in this situation. Number 2. The platonic love. This kind of love, it is an affectionate relationship in which the sexual element doesn't enter. Number 3. Self-love. This kind of love, it is the love of self in the gaze of others. If you have difficulty feeling it or seeing it, oh my god, you may have problems with self-esteem, and it is essential to do something about this fact. Now it is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Now like this video, click here to subscribe to my channel.